Good morning and welcome back to the channel, to the first video since getting back from America, and possibly the first video in a line of, well, a series of videos on a stealth camper, because we're heading to Blackpool to possibly buy a bus. Yes, you heard it. We're going to Blackpool because I've been offered a bus at a very reasonable rate, and I'm going to convert it into a stealth camper. So from the outside it's not going to look like a camper van, it's just going to look like your regular 16-seat minibus, and inside we're going to be able to camp in it. So we're going to be parking up in places where you're not really supposed to camp overnight and pretend that we're just a bus. Hey! I'm not quite sure how stealth I can make a 7-foot bus though. 7 meter bus, not 7 foot, a 7-meter bus. Yeah. But you're gonna come along for the journey. We bought a bus. And when I say we've bought a bus, I actually mean we've actually bought an actual bus. Part 1 of the Stealth Camper series coming up. Well, episode 1 of the Stealth Camper minibus conversion. Yeah, we've had a slight issue. The issue is it's now stuck in 4th gear because the sensor's broken. So I'm limping home. Luckily I got the van at a decent price. And yeah, need to get the sensor sorted to get it running properly before I even think about converting it. All fun. Not! I bought a bus. First job tomorrow, remove all of these stickers and then get the ABS sensor sorted out so the gearbox works properly. Oops.
You're watching the TerryTracker channel. Now it's time to do your job.